Hi guys and girls, and welcome back to Freedom Forest on another beautiful January day. As some of you might know, we love Yacon at Freedom Forest. It's one of our favourite lesser known tubers and we are really keen to share its greatness. So today's video is about how we overwinter our Yacon plants and store the tubers in the ground. We've made lots of other videos on Yacon though too, so if you're keen to learn more, check out some of our other videos. I'll put the links in the description down below. Before we start today, we need to ask you a huge favour. We're working really hard to grow our YouTube channel, but we need your help. If you watch and enjoy any of our videos, can you please click the like button and share the videos with your friends or on your social media, as this really helps to grow our channel as well. Also, by leaving comments and letting us know what you like that we've made, helps us to know what to make in the future, and it also helps to push our content up the ranks and get it seen by more beautiful people like you. We're in Zone 9A here at Freedom Forest and we've got a few cold nights ahead of us this week. So I've got an important job to do today, and that is to give all of our Yacon plants a little bit more protection from the cold, to make sure that the tubers are protected underground still, and also to make sure that our newly divided plants are well planted and well mulched so that they overwinter. We like to store most of our tubers in the ground here and just harvest them as we need. It feels more natural and fresher doing it this way, and because we're still working on any other better options for the future. We do sometimes suffer losses to rodents and slugs and things like that, but generally we do have enough to go around for everybody. We've just got to be mindful of things like the weather when it comes to plants like the Yacon and make sure everything is protected. I've got some piles of growing tips here from previous harvests that we've just had healed into the ground. But now that it's getting cold, I'm going to redistribute these to other beds and make sure that they're really well planted and deeply mulched so that they overwinter. As we've been previously harvesting our Yacon plants to eat, the plants seem to naturally divide at the growing tips. And you can see us doing this in our previous Yacon video, Yacon aka Earth Apple, which is linked here now. If you're growing Yacon, it's actually the growing tips that you want to replant rather than just the tubers. In this case, the tubers are just an energy store for the plant, and this is where the plant will actually regrow from. We have found, however, that our plants seem to grow bigger and stronger if we leave a couple of the tubers attached when replanting the growing tips. My previous video on preparing a permaculture bean bed, you may know my plan to have Yacon planted all the way along here to bring in diversity to this area and also to help keep the strawberries at bay a little bit. So now I'm going to replant some of these tips all the way along here, hopefully before Murph eats them. Murph, leave them. Come on, this way. Come on, sit down here. And one of the advantages in this bed here is that I actually gave it a really good wood chip mulch back in November, so the wood chip's nice and thick. And it also used to be a potato bed, so it had really thick compost layers on it as well. So perfect growing conditions for our Yacon. Yacon also needs well draining soil, otherwise the growing tips, especially when smaller, can rot. Homemade, homegrown pumpkin and sweet potato soup. If you're enjoying this video, folks, don't forget to click the thumbs up button to like this video, as this helps us to get our content out there and seen by more lovely people on YouTube. Now here's my fun fact about Yacon. Studies are now showing that Yacon may contain prebiotic, which helps to stimulate the growth of good gut bacteria. And good gut bacteria is being linked to a good healthy immune system. A good healthy immune system means better overall health and better disease resistance. Furthermore, Yacon is also thought to help treat constipation because it is rich in fibre, just like so many other vegetables. So keep eating your veg, folks. These bigger plants here are ones that we're still yet to harvest from. So I'm topping them up with a fresh layer of wood chip to protect the tubers and the growing tips, which are quite close to the surface, from the cold, and keep them all snuggled up for winter until we're ready to harvest and replant them. And if any of you out there are already growing Yacon, we'd love to hear from you and share your experiences or growing tips too. So please leave a comment down below the video so that everybody can see it. One of the questions we get asked the most is, do we sell Yacon? And the answer is, right now in 2022, we just can't spare the time it takes to organise packaging and payments to sell plants or produce, because we've got so many other exciting projects going on here at Freedom Forest. But it is part of our future plans to propagate and sell certain plants and products. So please do stay in touch. I hope you've enjoyed this video today on how we care for and overwinter our Yacon plants. If you have, please hit that like button just down below with the thumbs up, and also leave us a comment and let us know what you thought about the video or any questions that you have. Share this video with your green-fingered friends, and also click that bell button, because then you'll be first to know when we release a new video. Thanks for watching and being with us today. Peace and plants.